The next question is to give an algorithm. Okay, and in this particular question what they have given is they have given you an array of characters of n length, and in that particular array they are having only ABC or and the combination of ABC, any combination, and they have asked that all the sequential characters A, B and C should be replaced by C, C, C. So I'll give you an example that if I am having A, B, C, then what you will have to do, three sequential characters you are having A, B, C, those sequential characters should be replaced by C, C, C. Now you can see that after each replacement you can have one more combination of ABC. Previously you were not having any ABC starting from first location, but here now you are having ABC starting from first location, and then that particular ABC will also be replaced by C, C, C. So this way you will have to replace all the combination of A, B and C on consecutive location by C, 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 and now you will have to tell that if you will write an efficient algorithm to do this operation, then what will be your traversing length, or what will be the traversing comparisons you will do, or how many times you will traverse complete array so that these ABC combinations will be replaced by C, C, C. So this is the question they have asked, and my solution says that, so my answer says that I will have to traverse my given list from last to first. Okay, I am taking just a simple example in which I am taking n equals to 7 and this particular list I am having. Okay, so I will do, I will take last three characters and I will check are these characters in the sequence A, B, C, starting from n-2 index, n-1 index, this is n-2 index, this is n-1 index, and this is index. Let's say I am taking index from 1. Okay, if we are taking index from 0, then it will be n-1, this should be n-2 and this should be n-3. It is not the concern. Okay, so in concept I am taking just n, my index is starting from 1 and it is going up to n. So all these three characters I am just checking if they are A, B, C in the sequence, then I'll have to replace them. Right now they are not. So what I will do, I will again check the same thing with the characters, these three, that means n-3, n-2 and n-1. So one comparisons or only one operation I have taken to check last three items, and after that next operation I will do for checking the elements which are n-3, n-2 and n-1. If they are ABC, I'll replace them by CCC. They are not ABC, then I'll not have to replace them. Okay, then again the same thing I will repeat. Okay, now the same thing I will repeat with n-4, n-3 and n-2. That means these three characters. Yes, these are A, B, C. Now I'll have to replace them by C, C, C. So these three will be replaced by C, C, C. Now if I am replacing n-4, n-3, n-2, then I can directly check from n-6, that is first n-5 and n-2, just because I will not start my next comparison from n-5. Why? Just because I have immediately replaced this n-4 by C. So starting from n-5 I cannot have A, B, C, just because n-4 will always be C when I have replaced it. Okay, so I will again start n-5, n-6, n-5 and n-4 as checking these are A, B, C. No, now I can replace them by C, C, C. So according to my algorithm, this particular algorithm, it says that only one traversing of the array is required to replace all the combinations of A, B, C if I'll start scanning the array from right to left hand side or from last to starting one. So my answer for this particular question is 1. So answer is equal to 1.